Godrej presents wteon Ordra washing machine, equipped with a turbo 6 pulsator and Acu-Wash drum that is strong on dirt but gentle on clothes, giving your clothes the perfect washing experience. Available in a 6, 6.5 and 7 kg capacity. A 5-star BEE rating for optimized energy consumption and higher savings. The wash tub is made of stainless steel. It ensures a hygienic wash and also prevents bacterial growth on the tub. The appliance uses a turbo 6 pulsator that has 6 ridges that create strong water motions inside the tub for better penetration of detergent and easy dirt removal. It also features a quick wash, that is a 29-minute wash program for mildly soiled laundry. The toughened glass lid provides enhanced strength to the unit. The machine's thoughtfully designed 9 wash programs are carefully programmed to wash your clothes depending on the stains for an effective wash. The child lock function prevents keys from getting accidentally pressed, avoiding any interruption to the wash cycle. The LED digital display shows the remaining program time and allows user-friendly access to the machine's features. Available with a 2-year warranty on product and 10-year warranty on the motor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.